Hello friends, today we are going to learn how we can utilize the form data submitted to a PHP file. In this lecture, we will submit a form data and then we will utilize that form data using our PHP script. And this is the main function of PHP, that our website can be dynamic and it could change according to user input. So first start exam. I will start this Apache server. So we can run localhost in our PHP designer. When we will click on this localhost, then we can run this site here without there is no need of browser. Then we will click on submit, and here you can see we have submitted and we have printed PHP here. Now first let's talk about echo. We have used echo. Echo is a language construct. It's not a function. We can print values using this echo, and if we wanna print variables, then there is no need to pass parameter in parentheses, and we can pass parameters to this language construct in double quotation or single quotation mark, and it will print on the HTML body. So it is little bit different from function, and it's more useful than function, you can say. Here is another function, date function of PHP, and we can use this date function to display date or today's date or any timestamp. So we are going to embed this date function, and here I have written this date function and I have passed this value. First run this and then we will go through what is happening here. Now I will change order processed at now. Here I will click on localhost. When I will click on submit order, here you can see it has printed today's date, and this is displaying the hours and this is the date. So this 12 and 59, this is for hours and minutes. As we have passed this parameter, h is for 24 hours and I is for minutes, then we have passed this j. J is for day of the month, and S is for suffix. For example, it is first, then it will add st. If it is second, then it will add 2, and F is for month of the year and Y is for year. And here it is displayed like this. We can pass other parameters, and here are few details that we can use to print different styles of dates. Here are some examples, and it is displaying how date will be displayed. You can use any of these. Now here we are putting variable values in this form, and we wanna use this value in processorder.php file. Here you can see this is the name of this input field and its name is tirqty. This is name of second input field and this is name of third input field. So we will use these fields, and method of our form submission is post, so we will use post variable. Here first I will embed PHP, as we are going to take input from form. Here in variables, PHP variables, and then we will use those PHP variables. Here I will write PHP, and this is for writing a PHP script. In this script, everything will be considered a PHP code. Here I will declare a variable, and to declare a variable you have to put a $sign and then any name you can give. It should start with underscore or letters. Here is a post supergrubber variable. I am using this. I have written post here because method of our form is post. So I am using this post supergrubber variable, and in this post I have written tirqty. This is the name of the field, that input field that we are using in our form data. I will copy it and I will paste it. Here I will change name of variable, and these are our variables we are creating, and here I will give name of the input field. Its name was oilqty. Third variable I am going to declare is plugqty, and its name was plugsqty, not plugqty, and here you can see it's plugsqty. Now we have accessed this data in our variables. We can use these variables in our code. Now here I am going to print values of those variables. Here I will write your order is as follow. Now I will embed this statement in a paragraph, as we are going to display it on HTML, so we have to use HTML tags in echo. Here I will complete the statement by semicolon. Now here, first I will write name of the variable. Its name is tireqty. Then I will concatenate it with a string, and I will write tires, and then I will break line. This is the tag, HTML tag. Now I will copy it. I will play right here. Oilqty. This is our second variable. Here I will put space, and here I will write oil, and this will be displayed on our HTML body. Then I will write our third variable. The third variable is plugqty, and I will concatenate it with the string plugs. That's it. It will display our data. Now here I will click on localhost, and here I will pass values 10, 5, and 2. Now I will submit order. But here we have error undefined index tireqty. These are undefined index, these three variables, and here their values are not printed. I will see what's the matter. Here we are using encrypt type text and plain, but we are not encrypting it. That's why it is giving us that error. I will remove it. Now it will work. Now I will save it. I will click on localhost. Now I will pass variable, pass value, submit order. But here we have same error. I will stop this Apache and then restart it. Now I will pass values, and here you can see we have printed the values using our PHP code. We have used this underscore post. This post is super global variable, and this post we are using the method post in our HTML form. So that's why we have used this variable, super global variable post. We can use get and other super global variables as well. We can access form variables directly, but we have to turn down register global variables, but it is not recommended because of security point of view. The second method for accessing form variables is post array, super global post array, and it is medium and it is recommended, and in this we have to just pass the name of field and we will get that data. There is a third style, HTTP post variables, but it can be disabled via register long arrays. Now here you can see that we are concatenating this variable with this string, but we can use it in another way. The term is called interpolation, and interpolation is the process of replacing a variable with its content within a string. We are writing quantity of a variable and then string using this expression in which we are equaling, but we can do the same in very simple step. and we can use echo, and in double quotation marks we can write a variable and its value will be printed. Here you can see 2 is printed instead of 9. But be careful, if you are writing variable name using a single quotation mark, then it will consider it a literal and it will display its name, not its value. Always use double quotation marks if you wanna print a variable value instead of variable name. That's it for today's lecture. We will learn more about PHP development in our upcoming lectures. We will learn more about web development in upcoming lectures. Thank you for your time.